What's up, guys? We're here at Laotian to try Laotian food for the first time, and it's actually not in Laos, but it's actually here in the U.S. We're here in Pensacola, Florida. We just ordered some food inside. This is happening during this whole crisis thing where people really can't dine in, but in this restaurant, people actually eat outside, which is really nice. So we ordered. They're gonna bring the food out in a few minutes, and we're gonna share with you what the food's gonna be like. What did you get?
I get the tom kim,
Tom Kim. Yeah, it's like
caramelized pork.
Caramelized pork with egg, boiled egg sliced up, and also some sticky rice. So it sounds really good. And I got something that I forgot what it's called, but it's like a sausage.
It's a Lao sausage.
It's like a Lao sausage with a papaya salad that it looked like papaya salad on the side with sticky rice on the side as well.
And then we order egg rolls.
And I asked for extra like chilies and peppers because that's how I roll with Asian food. I need spicy food. So I'm super excited. I'm hungry. She's hungry, and we're gonna enjoy it. So see you in just a few seconds.
This is what we got: the tom kim and the
First impressions. I mean, it looks good, but
egg rolls and the sausage.
it looks good, but it looks a little small for the money. So let's see if the taste is gonna justify the small portion.
Okay, let's begin. So try this. Ano siya bakit lang?
Too early.
It's so good. What can you say that?
Well, her dish tastes very much like we had a cowboy lady in Chiang Mai. Really good. I just wish there was more of it.
How can you describe this one? They have chili on the side as you requested.
Oh yeah. It's like of course, it's a well-seasoned pork sausage with herbs, a little bit of vegetables in there. As you can tell, maybe some greens, some onions. I'm not sure what the ingredients are, but it's good. It's good.
Maybe you have to eat this too.
Yeah, it's just for taste to decide.
You sure?
I'm pretty sure.
There's a lot of sauce. You want more? You can have that.
That woman, half the team works in the food service industry, and not
Awesome. Huh? Huh?
Have you little popcorn fishing for the first time this year on Saturday? No? Top three and
Good outside.
this on 5 others.
So you like looking for them and throwing them for your thing?
Yeah.
You have them on-
No,
you
this
have
lazy
them on-
man's fishing.
You have them line walking with them?
Yeah, they hit both, they hit. I didn't get to it fast enough. No, lazy fishing.
You know, the PVC holders and
Yeah,
everything?
yeah. Gotcha. to, I'd sit there with a cup of coffee and a book.
Vegetable egg rolls
Wait
good
for the ride to
too.
go off, maybe notice it.
You put, so that's what your parents do, right, Nico?
Yeah,
They,
that's what I mentioned.
they're not as lazy about those, they have like 7 different coals and whatever.
So we just finished eating. It's all gone. And the verdict, food's really good. Very delicious. Sausage was good. Her tom kim. It's like a pork and egg dish. It's good.
Caramelized pork.
Yeah, it's like slow cooked, very tender pork. Very good, very delicious. Sticky rice, steamed rice, all good. It was good. 5 out of 5 for me.
5 out of 5 for me too because of the service. They have an excellent service here.
Yeah,
We didn't even ask the
front
name.
counter. She's
Yeah.
very nice. She's very accommodating. Kind of like how people were in Asia. Like when we were in Thailand and Philippines, they were very outgoing usually to kind of point things out, help you out, give you advice. So kind of brought us some flashbacks here. So all in all, it was great. You know, overall the restaurant, I would give it a perfect 5 out of 5, but I give it a 4.5 out of 5 because the portions are a little small. In my view, I think you can agree as well. This a little portions are a little small. For $23, I kind of thought maybe we get a little more. But aside from that, food's good. Food's good.
Yeah,
Come here if you
food
want
is
the
great.
good taste. The stuff we got, it was good. And you should expect good service as well. So, Laotian here in Pensacola, Florida. We highly recommend it. Check
And
it out.
we'll definitely go back here.
Yeah.
Maybe
when we get
tomorrow
back
and
here.
it'll be your turn.
Most likely. So, that's it, right?
Yep, so that's it for now and there's more videos coming up. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more information and hit the notification bell.
All right, see you in the next one.